In the ancient city of Athens, there lived a curious young girl named Sophia. Her inquisitive nature led her to a wise philosopher named Socrates, known for his unconventional yet enlightening method of teaching, the Socratic Method. The Socratic Method is not just a teaching style, but a pathway to deeper understanding and self-discovery. Sophia, eager to learn, approached Socrates and asked, "How do I gain knowledge?" Socrates: "Tell me, Sophia, what do you already know?" Sophia: "I know about the stars and plants, but there's so much more to learn, Socrates." Precisely. To learn, we must first acknowledge what we don't know. Socrates, instead of providing direct answers, engaged Sophia in a series of thought-provoking questions, guiding her to think critically and uncover the truth for herself. As Socrates continued his method of questioning, Sophia's mind opened to new perspectives and deeper understanding. She realized that true wisdom came not from having all the answers, but from questioning and examining one's beliefs. Sophia: "Socrates, I feel like I've learned more by asking questions than by receiving answers." Socrates: "That, my dear Sophia, is the beauty of the Socratic Method. It's in the questioning that we discover true knowledge. The Socratic Method teaches us the power of questioning, critical thinking, and self-examination. It's a journey of discovery, inviting us to explore beyond the surface of things." And so, Sophia embraced the Socratic Method, fostering a lifelong love for asking questions and seeking deeper truths. Remember, dear friends, the power of questioning is the key to unlocking knowledge and understanding. The Socratic Method. A method not just for learning, but for uncovering the wisdom within. Stay curious and keep questioning.